Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach Moore with howcraftcollection.com, and today I'm going to show you how to create my cubic zirconia earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, a red cubic zirconia faceted drop, light red AB Czech glass, fire polished 4mm rounds, dainty chain, head pins, eye pins, and an ear wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search cubic zirconia earrings. We're going to start off by doing a little prep work. We are going to prep these little dangles. You will need 6 lengths of 6/8 of an inch of chain. So I already cut all my chain and I prepped 5 of my dangles. So we're going to get ready and I'm going to show you how to create one of the dangles. So we are going to grab a head pin and a light red 4mm Czech glass fire polish bead, and we are going to form a partial wrapped loop by bending the wire down, moving the pliers up, bending the wire towards you, moving the pliers to the side, bending the wire back, and then I'm just going to open it a little bit. And I'm going to grab my pre-cut chain, and we're going to come in and string it on the end. We're going to grab our pliers. We're going to press it down. And then we're going to switch hands. And we are going to wrap 1, 2, come over, trim that little end, and we just want to tap this wire down so there's no sharp edges, and we are going to flatten our loop. Now we're going to create this part of the earrings, which is the center focal point. So we are going to grab an eye pin and we're going to string our first dangle. There we go. And then our 4mm Czech glass. Next dangle, $4mm Czech glass, dangle number 3, $4mm Czech glass, our red cubic zirconia faceted drop. Now at this point, I'm squishing the beads together and I'm just slightly bending it up. We're going to do another 4mm Czech glass. Our dangle. 4mm Czech glass, the next dangle, 4mm Czech glass, and then our last dangle. So now we're going to come in and we are going to form a simple loop. So I'm making sure the beads are nice and tight. And I'm just bending this wire to the side. And then I'm going to trim it. Picking up our round nose pliers, setting it right here. We are just rolling the wire towards us. And then I'm going to bend it up even more. Now we're going to connect our chain. So we're going to pick up our 1 1/2 inch length of chain. If you want it to be longer, you can add extra length to the chain. I'm going to come over to the side. And we're just going to open that loop. And I'm going to grab my chain, attach it, and close the loop. Now I'm going to come over to the other side. Let's see, it opens this way. So we're going to open that loop. And we're going to grab the chain, attach it, and close the loop. Now that we have our chain connected, we're going to make this little connector piece. So we're going to grab an eye pin and a light red AB Czech glass fire polished 4mm round. And we want the loops facing different ways so that the earring will hang right. So we're going to come down here and we're going to bend the wire the opposite way. We're going to trim that little end, and we're going to form our simple loop by rolling the wire towards us. And you can see the loops are facing opposite directions. Let's attach our loop to the chain. This is how you open and close a loop. So we're just going to open it. And we are going to attach it. Come back over. And close the loop. Let's connect our ear wire. So we'll grab an ear wire. Ear wires are opened and closed the same way as the loop. So I'm just going to open it and I'm going to attach it and close the loop. And there you have it, how to create my cubic zirconia earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week on howcraftcollection.com, we feature a fabulous new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.